Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In today's video, we will understand finance MIS, reports and dashboards in Lighthouse ERP in a simple and beginner-friendly way. We will see important dashboards, financial monitoring reports, cash flow and party analysis reports. MIS helps management convert financial data into meaningful information for better decision making. Part 1. Finance Dashboard Overview. First, let us start with the Finance Dashboard, which gives a quick overview of financial data. Finance Dashboard. This dashboard provides receipts and payments, closing balances, financial position at a glance. It helps management quickly understand the financial status of the organization. Part 2. Daily Monitoring Reports. Now let us look at Daily Monitoring Reports. Daily MIS. This report helps track daily financial transactions, division-wise activity, operational summaries. It is useful for daily review by finance teams. Part 3. Cash and fund flow. To understand liquidity and movement of funds, we use cash and fund flow reports. Cash flow summary. Inflow and outflow details. This report shows total inflow, total outflow, net cash movement. It helps management monitor cash position. Fund flow summary. Inflow and outflow details. This report helps analyze sources of funds, utilization of funds. It is useful for financial planning and analysis. Part 4. Banking Monitoring. Now let us see banking related dashboards. Banking Dashboard Summary. This dashboard shows bank balances, book balances, differences between bank and books. It helps in reconciliation and monitoring bank position. Bank Daybook. Bank Daybook shows daily bank transactions, payments and receipts, running balances. It helps track bank activity on a daily basis. Part 5. Receivable and Payable Monitoring. Now let us see how receivables and payables are monitored. Account Aging Analysis. This report shows outstanding balances, aging buckets, overdue amounts. It helps management track pending payments. Receivable Payable Dashboard for debtors. This dashboard helps monitor customer outstanding, overdue receivables. It is useful for collection planning. Receivable Payable Dashboard for creditors. This dashboard helps monitor vendor dues, payment planning. It helps finance teams manage cash outflow. Party-wise summary. This report provides party-wise receipts and payments, ledger-level summaries. It is useful for tracking transactions party-wise. Part 6. Financial Statements. Now let us look at financial statement reports. Balance Sheet Viewer. Balance sheet shows assets, liabilities, financial position of the company. It is one of the most important financial reports. Balance Sheet Profit and Loss Comparison Listing. This report helps compare balance sheet, profit and loss across different periods for performance analysis. Expense Monitoring. Expenses Analysis Dashboard. This dashboard helps track expenses category-wise, analyze monthly trends, monitor cost control. Part 8. Trial Balance and Accuracy. Trial Balance Process Listing. Trial balance helps verify ledger balances, ensure accounting accuracy, prepare financial statements. Trial balance with multiple group details. This view provides group-wise totals, opening, debit, credit, and closing balances. It is useful for detailed financial analysis. Part 9. Reconciliation and Controls. Vendor-customer ledger reconciliation details. This report helps match ledger balances, verify transactions, ensure financial accuracy. Reconciliation is important for audit and control. Summary. So learners, in this video we understood important finance MIS reports, dashboards, cash and fund flow, banking reports, receivable and payable monitoring, financial statements, expense analysis, trial balance and reconciliation. These reports help management monitor financial health and take better decisions. In the next video, We will come back with a new process and understand it step by step in Lighthouse ERP. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.